Using Disney vacation points for a Disney cruise sounds like an amazing idea. I mean, you're going on a Disney cruise with points. What could be better than that? And then you look at the numbers. It might not make as much sense as you actually think. Let's talk about it. A 3-night Disney cruise for a family of 4 can cost around 800, even 1,000 points. Now compare that to staying 3 nights at a deluxe resort at Disney World like the Polynesian, and you're looking at around 60 to 140 points. Yeah, that's not even close. Now obviously, exact numbers can go between what type of room you have, what time of year it is, and all sorts of different things. But the gap between those two options is huge. So what that really means is when you use your points for a Disney cruise, you are giving up a lot of nights at a lot of really cool, lot of really fun, lot of really beautiful resorts at Disney World. And that's where this decision gets really interesting, because it isn't just about what you can do with your points, it's what you should do with your points. And I'm not here to tell you how to use your points, I'm just here to tell you how you should use your points in a very responsible way. All right, let's run this through the playbook. If I were you, this is exactly how I would look at this. If your goal is the most value for your points, using them for a Disney cruise usually never makes sense. But if your goal is to have the best experience you can have, I still firmly believe that Disney cruises is one, if not the top thing that you can do for experiences. It's just not the most efficient thing you can do with your points. So, should you use your Disney vacation points for a Disney cruise? If you want the best experience, maybe. If you want the most value, no. So until next time, remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.